Hey guys, today's Monday, January the 8th of 2024. My last video, I said 2023. Someone mentioned that. Yeah, I'm having a tough time trying to keep on remembering that we're in the year 20. I mean, I know we're in 2024, but my mind, so weird. I just automatically, I'm thinking 2023. So, once I watched the video, I was like, oh yeah, look at that. I said 2023. But anyway, I have in 2024, I have something for you to check out and think about. The Old Farmer's 2024 Almanac, a weather forecast. Remember, I've been saying that I don't really follow the weather. I mean, I do follow the weather here, but not like, in general. These guys have been doing it for years. So I figured you guys could check this out. I'm not getting endorsed by them. I don't even know these people, but I am thinking about getting their book and checking it out. So this is their website, almanac.com. And you can see if you click on the weather, extended forecast, it kind of shows you, you could type in your area, shows Canada. I mean, this is the first time I'm watching their website, so they got a lot of stuff here. I guess you could type in your zip code, and it could tell you, what's going on there. I'm here in Tennessee. And then you have, there's an extended forecast. They also have 5-day forecast, but you got into your zip code. And then they also have winter forecast of 2024. So this is interesting right here. I wonder if nat gas is going to start grinding higher just because maybe there's a strong winter coming. I don't know. It's just something I've been thinking about. But nonetheless, I'm going to include a video for you to check out from a weather guy talking about the Almanac and, what they've done and stuff like that and what their forecast is for 2024. So I recommend you check it out so you kind of have an idea and a gauge. What are, the probabilities of, it being colder out here and there'll be more demand for natural gas. So let's get into the price action today of nat gas. So we pulled back down and found support and then pushed right back higher. Let's see here. The Gann grid, that's the big one. Look at the Gann too. Yep, so we found support at this angle, which is the 1x3. And if we could hold that 292, it could test this 1x2. But so far, it's looking good. It's supposed to be a down day, but I guess it was an overnight session that brought it down. But then once it hit this level, I'm going to show you, it got this nice little bounce. As you can see, you got a pivot here, and that's where we kind of ended off or kissed it and then kind of pulled back. Where we're at 295. This U.S. session is over. I think that's it for here, but I just wanted to show you that. Let's go into the monthly. We need to close above 3.04 for it to get some positive. There's a strong level right there on the monthly, which is 318. You can see candles white, kiss the value area high of like $3 pretty much. MACD is still positive. Very extended over the linear regression channel. So this is very cautious. It could continue pushing high. I'm not going to say that it won't go higher, but it could stall here too. The chances of it stalling are higher. But nonetheless, it's what's this level? 293, and it's around 295. As long as it could grind and push higher and close above the value area high and out of the cloud, which is like 309. It has potential to push higher and test 364. MACD is still positive. Let's look at the what has happened in the overnight. So you can see it sold off, and down here, what was that? 269, which is pretty much the midpoint on the weekly chart. Found support. I was saying that if it bounces here and it finds support, this is what 30-minute, it has the potential to test this high here, and it actually blew right through it and hit the first target of $3. It hit 301, which kind of lines up with this high right here, or yeah, 301, 302. And the next one will be 309. So let's see. And if it could continue pushing higher, your next target will be 317. And on the monthly, it's 229. And somebody's calling me, and 314 right here. Yep. That's a nice little move up here. I thought it was going to continue pushing lower in the US session, but for some reason, this was the area as a target for the shorts. And if this held, I was betting that it was going to pop and test that. I didn't think it was going to take it out, but it did. And now it's pulling back. So we'll see how this was just a dead cat bounce for Monday. Statistically, Monday was supposed to be down, and it looks like it went, from the overnight, but it really wasn't a U.S. session down. It was just kind of pierced and then shot up. So the statistic probably didn't play out. Tomorrow's a down day. Wednesday's the one that's kind of 50-50. It'd be either up or down. But Thursday is the big day that it's up. And then Friday, maybe a pullback from that high if it grinds higher like that for Thursday. Like Thursday, it's going to be like a massive pop, according to the statistics. So I'm going to sign out. Just wanted to let you know my thoughts on today and see if we could close above 301. It's key level right here. If we could push around there, 317. Chances are we could test 364, and maybe this is the low. Maybe this is the low that we were looking for. Maybe from here it's going to start grinding higher. I don't know. Sometimes the markets do stuff like that. I'm kind of leaning maybe for a low in February, but that's me just speculating. I'm on the sidelines just waiting to see if that's going to play out. A nice low in February for me to pull the trigger and go long. But if this is the low and it's early and it's going to start grinding higher because the weather is getting colder, and you guys got to check out the Almanac and the video link I'm going to put on the description, things probably could start cooking higher and grinding higher. So I'll leave it like that. Have a great day trading, not trading, but a great day with your family and friends. And I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.